So here we have 3 doors, one with an opener, an AccessMaster with my key, pretty new. And then 2 doors back here that don't have openers, but they can't do a regular opener since there's a light in the back of each of them. So if anything, they put a jack shaft opener. So yeah, I'll go ahead and run this big door for y'all. Using this bar and lock, like half function panel. So yeah, this must be a 10-foot door at least. Long release rope that has a long handle. I'm glad it's not all the way up there because if something were to happen, they'd have to be able to get out. Insulated, it does kind of bend at the top, which is okay. So yeah, it's a full chain drive, big springs. You can see the sensors down here. It is a pre-wired application, and this company always just wraps it around, which is better than just pulling it. So I'll go ahead and open it. The chain does have some sag in it. And it opens all the way. So yeah, like I said, it's an AccessMaster. And then steel rollers. And then this door goes to like a back area. And then it's new because of all the new wood and all, you can tell. And then they have just a rope that you can just pull and it closes. And it is well balanced. It's at halfway. It's really easy to carry. So yeah, and then you can, and they lock on each side. And then, so yeah, it is a spring-loaded lock. I think these are Mid-American doors. And you can lift it. And yeah, it's pretty balanced. And then this one's manual too. So yeah, I'll do a safety beam test on the opener one. And I think the old opener that was here was either an overhead door or a genie. Or maybe a Sears even, because I can see the sensor hole mounts. So yeah. So it's closing, and you can put your foot in front of it. It does go back up. And it flickers at you 10 times. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next video.